Yeah. Hey guys, how you doing? Yeah, this is crazy. This day's actually happening. But you remember the unboxings be like series I did like a few last year in the year, but I thought they were pretty fun. So since today is a really special day, and I mean a really special day, we got a new angle here, but you know, you saw the title. It's been a legendary day in the making. It's time for Kingdom Hearts 3 Deluxe Edition. I also went to game to get it, so I've been told it's a yo-yo. Oh my gosh, guys. I've always wanted a yo-yo. You know, son, back in my day, I'm gonna be saying to my kid, I'll be like, you know, son, back in my day, I was a professional yo-yo. Oh. Hey, you see that lit up? Oh, okay. It says here that I get Steelbook case, art book, and exclusive pins, so. Ooh. Okay. Here's our exclusive pin. Not really a pin kind of guy, really, so yeah, art book. That's beautiful. Wow. I won't. Should I show inside? Will I get sued? Well, this is actually some art. Everything else was like just renders of characters. Oh, and look. I know a lot of people would be needing that. Oh, and here's the steelbook. Honestly though, I mean it's nice, but can we just be real here for a second? Who uses steelbooks? Like, if you use steelbooks, you probably sleep with your socks on. I don't know. The goodness and greatness of all things that is the game. This cover is fire as hell, man. I love this so much. More ASMR for you guys. Probably shouldn't have done that, but whatever. Yeah, there's the game. I don't know why people do that, like, after they unwrap it, they're just like, they take off the plastic and they're like, oh, here's the game, guys. And it's like, yeah, man, just without that plastic, that, you know, that cover's just that little bit different, you know? Oh, I've got a code in here. I ain't showing that. I don't love you guys that much. And just the disc. You don't put instruction manuals in anything anymore. On display. Yeah, man, Kingdom Hearts 3 is here, baby. I'm gonna go play this now. But yeah, thanks for watching this silly unboxing. We are gonna be eating some of these though in a video upcoming soon. Can we get 2 likes for this, guys? Yay. Alright, that's all from me. Take care, and I'll see you lot in the next video. Bye.